I walk up to a machine, I buy and sell crypto, and nobody on the other side knows it's me. No app sign up, no passport scan, just cash and coins moving instantly. That's still possible in 2025, but only if you know where to look. Welcome back to Captain Altcoin. We already released videos about the best no-KYC crypto cards and the best ways to cash out your coins 100% anonymously. So today, I decided to record a video about the best no-KYC crypto and Bitcoin ATMs that will still work in 2025. And just so we're clear, this is not financial advice. I'm only sharing information for educational purposes and from my personal experience. Always check the laws in your country before you try anything. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a like. Now, the truth is, it's really hard to find ATMs that are completely no KYC anymore. Most machines in the United States and Europe will ask for ID once you pass a certain limit, but some providers still let you make smaller purchases without verification. Here are few examples I found in the United States. Maine Bitcoin lets you buy up to $200 with no ID, but the fee is about 14%. Krakem ATM allows up to $499 before KYC kicks in, with a fee of 9%. Cash2Crypto Club goes up to $500 with around 12% in fees. So, in my opinion, these aren't cheap. But if your goal is privacy over saving on fees, they can still work. Next, I want to mention a tool that I personally think is super useful. It's called coinatmradar.com. You can type in your location and instantly see which ATMs are near you, what coins they support, and sometimes even what their KYC rules are. It's not perfect, but it's the best public resource out there. So, next I want to mention Chivo ATMs in El Salvador. If you followed crypto, you know El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. Their government-backed wallet called Chivo connects directly to a nationwide ATM network. You can walk up, withdraw dollars straight from your Bitcoin balance, or deposit cash and get Bitcoin instantly. No extra ID required. The big difference is you do need the Chivo wallet. But once you have it, the transactions are free. Of course, this only works if you're in El Salvador, but I think it's worth pointing out because it's one of the only fully no KYC setups on a national scale. Now, in Europe, there's also Bity ATMs in Switzerland. These support Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and even Monero. I've checked their site, and they let you use the machines without KYC for up to about 100 Swiss francs per month. That's not unlimited like Chivo, but still useful if you just want to move smaller amounts quietly. Anything above that though, and they'll ask you for ID. So, in my opinion, if you're looking for a fully anonymous ATMs in 2025, it's a hard task, but it's possible with limits in the United States and Europe. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever used a crypto ATM? Drop a comment below and let me know if you trust a no KYC machine with your coins. I know I did. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll keep bringing you more crypto survival guides just like this one.